How YouTube gaming streamers make money. In this video, we're going to teach you how YouTube gaming streamers make money. YouTube is a great way to get your content into the hands of millions of people all over the world, and streaming video games is a great way to make money. We'll show you how to set up a streaming channel, how to market yourself online, and how to monetize your channel. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to start streaming games and making money. How much do YouTube streamers make? The amount of money YouTube streamers make will vary depending on their following size and their overall monetization strategy. While traditional YouTubers typically make between $10, $30 per ad view and sponsorships, streamers can also earn through channel memberships and Super Chat. How to make money streaming on YouTube. YouTube gamers can earn money with crowdfunding opportunities like Super Chat and channel memberships. They can also earn through merchandising, ads, sponsorships, and providing services to other streamers. In order to monetize their channel, streamers must reach YouTube partner status. The following are 8 different ways that YouTube streamers can make money. 1. YouTube Super Chat. YouTube Super Chat allows viewers to pay a fee, between $1 to $500, to have their chat displayed at the top of the chat feed for a time. Viewers have the chance to have their comments seen. This display is especially useful in channels where multiple viewers are typing at once. YouTube takes 30% of the fee, leaving 70% for the streamer. Requirements needed for YouTube Super Chat and Super Stickers. In order to begin earning from Super Chat and Super Stickers, you must meet the following requirements. Be a YouTube partner. Be 18 years old or older. Live in a country where the feature is available to. YouTube Gaming Memberships. YouTube Gaming allows influencers to provide exclusive perks, extra videos, YouTube emotes, etc. for viewers who join their channel. YouTube streamers have the opportunity to decide what memberships they will offer, between $99 and $99.99, and what perks will be given to members of each tier. Creators will also be able to name each tier that they offer. YouTube broadcasters receive 70% of membership fees to their channels. Requirements needed for YouTube gaming channel memberships. In order to offer memberships on your channel, YouTube gaming streamers must complete the following. Be a YouTube partner. 18 years old or over, 30,000 subscribers or more. 3. Collect donations. While YouTube doesn't have an inbuilt donation system, you can set up a Streamlabs account for your channel. They allow you to set up a way to donate quickly, and they don't take a cut of the tips you receive. Influencers can also use Patreon to set up ways to donate for their viewers. 4. Ads. YouTube Live allows its users to immediately begin earning from ads, so long as they meet the following requirements. They must be at least 18 years old or have a guardian over the age willing to handle the revenue for them. They must have had at least 10,000 video views. If all viewers watched the ad, you could potentially make between 10 to 100 per 10,000 views. They must produce advertiser-friendly content. Ad revenue varies from channel to channel, depending on its content and popularity. 5. Channel merchandise. YouTube's merch shelf is a great way to showcase your branded merchandise. When you have a strong following, consider creating merch for your followers. While the shelf won't appear on every one of your videos, it will be accessible from your channel. Requirements to use YouTube Gaming Merchandise Shelf. The YouTube Live Merchandise Shelf is a unique display underneath the streamer's video. For a broadcaster to qualify to use it, they must meet the following requirements. Must be from an approved country or region. Be in the YouTube Partner Program. Have at least 10,000 subscribers. No community guideline strikes. 6. Affiliate marketing. You can also earn on your YouTube gaming channel by selling items through affiliate programs. Many programs require you to sell the product within a set amount of time or have a decent following before you apply. Make sure to research each before you sign up and only work with products that you use and enjoy. 7. Find sponsors. Many sponsors are happy to support smaller streamers who post quality content and have active followings. That being said, be selective on who you work with, as many sponsors will want you to work exclusively with them. Don't just sign up with the first person who comes along. Instead, hold out for companies that you are passionate about. 8. Special services offered to other streamers. You may also be able to earn funds by marketing channel building services to other streamers. Here are a few common ways that people earn. Branding and graphics. If you have an eye for design and have branded your channel in a way that attracts your target audience, then you may be able to market your graphic skills to other streamers. Showcase your work and let people know your prices. Many streamers want custom work done, but don't know how to do it themselves. Content coach. Many streamers have a difficult time understanding when to stream and what content they should cover. You can help them discover their natural talents and help them fine-tune them into characteristics that would attract their target audience. There isn't a huge market for this role, but many have earned a little from it as a side hustle. Video editing. Use your YouTube video editing skills to help other streamers create extra content for their YouTube channels. Many people find editing to be too intimidating or don't have the time to do it. Some are willing to pay top dollar for the quality editing work needed to help their channel rank. Conclusion. Many streamers have been able to earn some side income by streaming on platforms like YouTube Gaming. Some have even been able to earn a full-time living. While mastery of these monetization strategies can take some time, earning from your hobby can be very satisfying. I hope you guys surely like and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.